I very happily sold half of my natural gas position today. That leaves me with 1/4 of my original position. I was happy to do it. Natural gas hasn't been this high since April. This is wonderful. Technically, natural gas could head higher, but as of the middle of the afternoon, working that unconfirmed breakout above $4.21 a cubic foot. However, the price action already met the obligation to go up to $4.20 a cubic foot, so we would have to have an unconfirmed and then a confirmed breakout above $4.20 a cubic foot to then go a little bit higher. I can be wrong. I don't think natural gas goes a lot higher from here, which is why I was happy to take some of those profits off the table. If you were in this natural gas trade with me, congratulations. S&P 500 net profit margins haven't been this high in 15 years. This is wonderful for companies. I fully understand there is absolutely a disparity between the larger companies, mega cap tech companies, and even some of the large cap, definitely mid cap and small cap companies that haven't done as well for months and months. That's not new. But as long as the large cap companies, specifically mega cap tech, continue going up, the stock market indexes can head higher. My research, and I can be wrong, shows that over the medium and longer term, that the stock market could be higher over the next 3 to 6 months. But in the very short term here, when people are very bearish, they are making a mistake. Think about it. If all these people selling stocks over the last few weeks were calm enough and thought, oh yeah, prices are going to be higher in 3 to 6 months, do you think they would be selling and all emotional and fearful? No. But here they are at extreme fear, and what always happens, it always comes back. Even some of the underlying data today was not as bad or fearful as it was even yesterday. That's why I was a buyer of my favorite core longer term holds yesterday morning. Yeah, the emotional herd can drive the stock market up, down, or sideways tomorrow based on how they feel about Nvidia earnings after the bell today. But at least as of the middle of the afternoon, the S&P 500 really gone nowhere by 2:30, still only making an unconfirmed breakdown below 6,636. I think this is very important. As long as the breakdown does not confirm, I think the S&P 500 and the general market could be okay. On a technical basis, if we do confirm below 6,636, on the S&P 500, I think we could possibly technically really fall after that even further, maybe as low as about 6,449. So watch these levels. If we don't break down and if Nvidia earnings are okay or really good and the market comes up, there is plenty of room to run higher, and all of the people that have been selling over the last week all over again are going to get left behind. Gold is about flat as of the middle of the afternoon, just still in that range, in that confirmed breakout above $4,066 an ounce. If it breaks down, could be worth selling. I think that gold can come up a little bit from here. Anybody not in a gold trade, if they decide it's right for them to buy some now, please immediately put on a sell order, a stop order. And then if gold does go up and in your favor, well, you can trade in that sell stop order for a trailing sell stop order. Crude oil down today, really just continuing that tight range chop. In my personal opinion, it is not high enough to short. It is not low enough to buy it. Patience on the next crude oil trade. This is not investment advice, and if you don't know me, I'm John Crocker, professional investor, proud American, cigar lover, and owner of Crocker Capital, LLC.